Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Gather a Kai coil module, a 5V/2A USB supply, a diode, a 470 micro F capacitor, and thin wires. Once ready, expose the coil and place it centered over your Android's charging spot. The phone's wireless receiver sits near the middle. You'll solder the coil's positive and negative leads to the USB power wires, adding the diode and capacitor for smoothing and polarity protection. Make sure to insulate every joint. This first wiring locks the hardware path, so double-check polarity before powering up. Once the basic wiring is complete, power the module with your 5V supply and use a multimeter to confirm 5V at the coil terminals. You want a stable voltage before testing with the phone. Next, add a thin ferrite sheet or aluminum foil under the coil to guide the magnetic field and reduce eddy heating in the phone. Make the mount flat and maintain a 3 to 5 mm gap between coil and phone back. Fine-tune alignment until the phone shows charging. If not, adjust position and gap. To finish, secure the coil into a slim, non-metallic case. Use low-profile adhesive and ensure vents for heat to escape. Once mounted, test charging with your Android. If it charges intermittently, recheck coil alignment, verify solder polarity, and remove any metal or credit cards between coil and phone. If charging fails, swap the diode or try another Kai module. Also monitor temperature. If the phone or coil exceeds about 45 degrees C, reduce power, add airflow, or insert thermal tape. Safety first and retry after cooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.